A beautiful good morning to everybody. Here, a very wonderful poetry has been shared in the group by Amit of Baba Bulle Shah. पढ़ पढ़ आलम फाजत होया कदी अपने आप ਨੂੰ ਪੜਿਆ ਨਾ Baba Bulle Shah has been a mystically very misunderstood poet by millions at his time. Because a mystic has always been misunderstood. A mystic has rather been an mistaken arrival wrong parcel on a deadlock address of unacceptance for a human limited brain. Baba Bulle Shah, Baba Farid, Surdas, Mira, these all people were not understood at their ages, but now, today, they are vision for the thousands and millions towards the way of self-enlightenment. You need to understand and know that the path is not all time goes from the county road to the highway and from highway to the town or city. The path for a very God not goes to the Dwarka or Vatican. The path goes to the heart. The path goes to the self-realization. The moment you come to that level, every place is visible. You can feel the perfume of Vrindavan within your heart. You can feel the God within you. God will reflect only that much amount of the very bliss, mercy, joy, wonder, as much it exists in you. It is all depending in you. The very temple or the very God in the temple or in the painting or in the poetry or in the prasadam blessings, you can only feel the God in the amount as per it is alive in you. Here the poetry is reflecting the very same meaning. Pad pad alam fajay hoya. You have been reading Bibles, Gitas, other books like Ramayana, Qurans. कदी अपने आप ਨੂੰ ਪੜਿਆ ਨਾ yeah but you have not analyzed it. You have just gone to the words. You have just gone to the very limited regenetic translations but not to the very analysis. Jaja vadya mandir masjide. You have been going to the temples and the mosques. Kadi man apne vich vadya na, but you have never come to realize to your inner temple. You have to realize that you are a temple in a temple. The moment you realize that you are a temple in a temple, your journey has been completed. एवे इन रोज शैतान नाल लड़ियाए कदी नफसद अपने नाल लड़िया ना. You are fighting against devil, but you have not corrected the nature of yours. There is no devil, evil, or angel outside, but it is all the very state of your inner being, your nature. The moment your nature is corrected, they both are the two sides of the very one coin, and it is nothing but the very you. The moment you come to realize that it is not 10 rupee or 5 rupee or 2 rupee coin, it is the very metal itself, it is the soul itself. The moment you come to that state, all divisions will disappear. How beautiful Baba Bulle Shah has defined. Bulle Shah asmani udiya fadya hai. Jeda ghar betha onu fadya na. You are running to find a mentor overseas. You are running to find the Buddha in the forests. Have you ever seen the God within you? So tere ghat mahi viraje param purush avinashi. It is existing in the very itself of you. You are running for the forest, you are running for the overseas or the mountain Himalayas. The very God is not जमुना के और यमुना के और गंगा के उस पार. It is not just on the another bank of the river, but you have to cross the river of your illusions. The moment you cross the river of your illusion, in the boat of wisdom, in the boat of faith, in the boat of an proper teachings of a bona fide master, you come to realize that it is existing in you. There is nothing other way, other side. You have to come up with the perfection of an individual's project. Blessings and love to everybody. Jai Shri Krishna.